What if I told you that the same AI your company uses to write emails and analyze data can be turned into a weapon in under 30 seconds? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and most people have absolutely no idea how easy it actually is. Welcome to the world of LLM jailbreaking, and it is far more dangerous than the headlines are letting on. So here is the basic idea. Large language models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, they are trained with safety guardrails. These are rules baked into the model to prevent it from helping with things like synthesizing dangerous chemicals, writing malware, or generating harmful content. But those guardrails? They are not hard code. They are learned behaviors. And learned behaviors can be unlearned, or more precisely, tricked. The most common technique is called prompt injection. You essentially manipulate the model's context by feeding it a carefully crafted instruction that overrides its original system prompt. In 2023, researchers at Carnegie Mellon University published a landmark study showing that automated adversarial suffixes, basically nonsense strings of characters appended to a prompt, could bypass safety filters on virtually every major AI model tested. Every single one. And the attack transferred across models, meaning a jailbreak found on one system worked on others too. Then there is the DAN attack, which stands for Do Anything Now. This one went viral in late 2022 when users discovered they could roleplay with ChatGPT, asking it to pretend it had no restrictions. The model would literally play along and provide information it was explicitly designed to withhold. OpenAI patched it. Then users found DAN 2.0, then DAN 5.0, then DAN 11.0. It became a cat and mouse game that is still ongoing today. But here is where it gets genuinely alarming. Jailbreaking is not just a curiosity for Reddit users anymore. In 2024, a security firm called Adversa AI documented over 40 distinct jailbreak techniques actively being used in the wild, not by teenagers, but by organized groups targeting enterprise AI deployments. Companies are plugging AI into their internal databases, their customer service pipelines, their financial systems. And when those AI systems get jailbroken, attackers can extract sensitive data, generate phishing content at scale, or even manipulate automated decisions. One technique called prompt leaking specifically targets system prompts, which often contain proprietary business logic and confidential instructions. In early 2024, a researcher successfully extracted the full hidden system prompt from a major retail AI assistant, revealing internal pricing strategies and customer segmentation rules. The company had no idea it was even possible. There is also something called indirect prompt injection, identified prominently by researcher Kai Greshake in 2023. This is where malicious instructions are hidden inside content the AI reads, like a web page or a document. The AI processes the content, sees the hidden command, and executes it without the user ever knowing. Imagine your AI assistant browsing the web for you and silently being hijacked mid-task. That is not hypothetical. That has been demonstrated repeatedly in controlled settings. So what can you actually do about this? First, if your organization is deploying AI, treat your system prompt like a secret. Never expose it in client-side code. Second, implement output filtering, not just input filtering. Most defenses focus on what goes in, but the dangerous stuff often comes out. Third, keep humans in the loop for any AI action that touches real systems, real money, or real data. The AI safety community calls this human-in-the-loop validation, and it is currently your best defense. The models are getting smarter. But so are the attacks. And right now, the attackers are moving faster.